Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we'll see how to do a basic chocolate sponge cake without oven. For this, take half a cup of sugar, powder it. The sugar powder is ready. Next, take an egg, and if you don't want to use egg, you can go for quarter cup of curd or yogurt. To this, let us add the powdered sugar. Give a nice beat. The egg has to become frothy. Once the egg is beaten well, you can add a quarter cup of milk and a quarter cup of refined oil. Now give a nice beat. You have to beat this well for at least 3 to 4 minutes. For this chocolate cake, we are not going to use cocoa powder. Instead, we are going to take a quarter cup of Bournvita. Bournvita will be little coarse, so we have to powder it first. If you have cocoa powder, well and good, you can use that. This is ready. Now we'll collect all the dry ingredients. 1 cup of Maida, that is all-purpose flour. To this, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and the powdered Bournvita. Let us sieve this one so that it gets mixed well. Our dry ingredients are ready. Next, we'll move on to the wet ingredients. Already we have beaten the egg and oil. To that, we are going to add vanilla essence, 1 big spoon. If you are using eggs, vanilla essence is very essential, otherwise you will get that egg smell. Now let us add the dry ingredients little by little into the wet ingredients and give a nice mix. This is the batter consistency. We are going to bake this in a pressure cooker. Spread some oil all over the pressure cooker. You can use a parchment paper, that is butter paper, to avoid the batter sticking to the pan. Apply some more oil and pour the batter. Let us tap this one to make it even and avoid air bubbles. Now place an iron towel on the flame and heat this for at least 5 minutes. Once it is hot, you can place the cooker on it. Remove the whistle from the lid and close the cooker. Bake this for 40 to 45 minutes in low flame. This is after 40 minutes. You have to let the cake cool down and take it out. Our chocolate cake is ready. You can decorate this as you wish. And here for the frosting, I didn't use any cream, butter or even cocoa powder. If you want to try this cream-free, butter-free frosting, the link is given in the description box. Try it. This cake is very simple and will taste so good. Do try it. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.